looks nice. Wow, amazing. Oh, and I also love these ones here. Oh my god, ready to be harvested. Just have a look. Oh, I'm a happy farmer. What else can I ask God for? Wow, I'm so amazed. And there is another one here, guys. Wow, today I'm gonna enjoy. And another one here. Wow, I'm just loving this. Just look at how big it is, and more flowers coming up. Here are the cucumber seeds. Time to cut this thing. These are the seed, guys. Look at how they are. I've never seen them. This is my first time seeing the cucumber seeds. I thought they were just round. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Linet_KE. Today I want to show you how you plant cucumbers from the start to harvest.
So we are actually placing 1 or 2 seeds per container depending on how you want it. And on the cement bags we planted watermelons the same day with the cucumbers. We hope to have a very good harvest by the end of it all, and we finished by watering them after the long day at work.
This is week 4 and today we are actually going to do the pruning. So I'm going to cut the leaves, and the reason as to why we cut the leaves, it's because, let's just come here, explain from here. So the reason as to why I'm going to prune, for example this one here, I'm just going to cut it. So this one, as you can see, actually it's collecting a lot of pests and diseases from the soil. So that's why we cut it down. And another thing is so you can see we have a lot of cucumbers on the main branch. As you continue, like this one here, we have it as you go up. So I will be cutting these leaves and the branches that are emanating from the main branch, like the main stalk here. So the reason as to why I'm cutting is the nutrients to concentrate on the cucumbers which are on the main branch. Yeah, another thing is also the energy from the main branch to be concentrated on the cucumber which are here on the main branch. So we want to have big cucumber which have a lot of nutrients, not just having so many cucumbers with the maybe small yields. So let's cut. So this one I'll just give it a chance. I'm just going to cut it here. I think that is good. Yeah, so I've already cut this. You see this has some fruits, and also this pest here that you're seeing, they're actually reminding me to spray them. Yeah, and I'm going also to tell you the natural remedy that we use to spray. So we are going to cut this also, the other side there. So this one, yeah, you see I've cut it. So we are going to cut all going up, like this one here. I'll just cut this, give this a chance to grow instead of competing of nutrients and strength as well. So you also prune 3 leaves from down. So I've already pruned the one that was here, so I'm going to prune this, the second one and the third one here. So you be careful not to touch the small cucumber. At the same time, every shoot that is coming from the tree going up, you can still cut it. So you can also cut this because it doesn't have any impact on the fruit. Yeah, like this one here. So every branches that comes up, make sure you cut it. Don't allow it to grow. So this is the last branch that I'm cutting. Although it had a fruit here, but still we want this to grow. So we also have more of cucumber here, and they have already started producing fruits. You see, like this one here, as they continue. So for this one, because it's very small, I'll just give it time to grow, and then we'll be doing the pruning, maybe if it reaches this height. So we have a lot of them, as you can see in this line. Yeah, more than 50 plants, and some even seeds dropped down here. So for this one, we'll just leave them to grow here. So it's time to spray. So I'm also going to spray all the cucumbers that are here. I'm spraying to prevent aphids and other pests that are affecting it. So we are back again, another day, another time of taking care of our cucumbers, and I'm so happy that even the small ones that didn't have grown up to this height, they are actually here. And yesterday I trailed them. To trail means like to tie them and show them the way to grow up. You can see almost all of them have been trailed, like they have been tied here on this wire. So you can just come and see the biggest one that we grew. You can see how it's really growing up. I'm almost harvesting it. You can see how big it is, and I'm so happy. I told you when you do the thinning, you give the energy to the cucumber, which is really growing, and they grow fast. So you can see each and every branch, like everywhere there is a cucumber like that one. It's very healthy. So when you go up, you just find another one like this one, and you see the flowers that you're seeing, those are cucumbers which are growing, and it's still going up just like that. So we have more like this one, even though it's very small, but I know you can see it from the camera. But I can see some black things. Those ones I will come and spray them again to make it healthy, because you have to take care of it. So let's go there and see how they are doing. So from this side also, as I told you, these are the ones that we transplanted. I don't know if you can remember the day. Yeah, so they really catch up with others. So you can see how they are really growing. And by now, they are actually asking for the manure. So I'll be taking the cow manure, adding them by next week. So I'll give them time to grow right now. Yeah, and we always give them water. You can even see the tins are wet. Some weeds which are growing like this, guys, don't give them any chance. So these ones I'm going to uproot them, and then I'll be putting the manure. Make sure you uproot them. You can see how clean my tin is. Also, this is how we've trained this other patch of the cucumbers. You can see. So what I'm amazed of is the fact that they are really growing fast. Like this one, I told you we just trailed it just the other day, but it really calls. Like you see, it's going this way. It's supposed to be going on this rope here, like following the roots. So we are going to trail them again. Yeah, you can see this one I did them on the same day, but you see like it has really grown from this part up to this one. So let them grow just like that. So this is how we always take care of them. So I can't wait to show you the next time how we take it, like when they'll be at this rate. Yeah, so guys, a happy farmer, a happy day to harvest. So my cucumbers are ready. Today is the day to harvest. So I think we are cutting here. Yeah, you see, very big. Yeah, it's very big, and as you can see, it was almost ripening. So you can see here, guys. Wow, I'm a happy farmer indeed. We still have more from here that we will wait for them to grow, like this one. And also we have more as you move up. Yeah, this one is promising. Another one is here. And we also have more flowers. So it's gonna go up. Right now, it's not even my height. It's past my height. Finally, guys, harvesting day has come, and welcome to my cucumber farm. I'm here ready to harvest my cucumber. And first, let me just start with this. I'm a happy farmer, guys. Just have a look at this. Wow. So let's harvest. One thing to note is when you see that they have started turning yellow here, they are ready. So you don't have to wait for it to turn till this moment. When it reaches here, they will be starting to get bad. So yeah, and guys, let me tell you, there is one fascinating thing about cucumber is when you just see a small cucumber just like this one here, like today I've just spotted this, it wasn't visible. When you come after 4 days, let me tell you, you'll harvest it. So today is harvesting day. I've decided to come and harvest a lot, because the other day we used to harvest 1, 2, 3. So today there are more. So I'm very happy to be here today. So let's harvest together, guys. We have a lot more. And I have to check, because I don't have to miss, because some are even hiding. For example, this one here, you see how healthy it is? Wow, I'm so amazed. Let me just move very slowly. Yes, there is this one here. Yeah, still growing. I'll just give it maybe today. Tomorrow, you'll be amazed on how big it will be. So we have also this one here. So this is ready to harvest. You see how I told you. So let's harvest this. Yeah, even this one is ready to harvest because you see this. Yeah, so they can't be that big. Let me see. Yeah, another one. You see this one is ready to be harvested. Yeah. Wow. This one also is growing, so we'll just give it time, 2 days. It will be up. So let's go on the other side there. I'm so happy, guys. Happy farmer. Hey. Wow. Yeah, here. So we have this one. And then we have another one here. Yeah. Yeah, this one is also ready. You can see the yellow patches have run almost to this other part here. Wow. Guys, you can see what we have had from our garden. I'm so happy. Just imagine, just a few days ago we planted this. It's actually Haley who dropped the seeds here, and then we came with other seeds. Chalo added this. So happy. Let me tell you guys, we've been harvesting this cucumber even off camera. When we come to the garden, we realize it's very big. Like when we were harvesting the first harvest, we didn't know that it's ready to be harvested until we were told by our neighbor, like, it's ready, you need to harvest it. So we've been eating from this garden while standing from this garden. So you can just imagine when you just come to pluck maybe veggies from here, you want to pluck kales, you want to do some mulching, you just spot here one. And the fact that we have a tap in our garden, you just pluck, wash, and eat. Imagine, just simple like that. Yeah, it's so amazing. Somebody might be asking, Lynette, how are you growing your cucumber? So one thing I've been using, you can see this leaf here, for example, it's very clean, and actually right there is a cucumber. You see the one which is growing. So for it to be this clean, I was actually using the natural remedy to spray. So I was using vinegar, cinnamon, and baking soda. You just mix, put a lot of water, put in a spray bottle, then come and spray. That's why you see there is no even a single worms or insects that you can see. Yeah, you can even have a look at this, very clean. And also when it comes to manure, we were also using the cow dung manure, and also we mix with the goat manure. So that's the one that we mixed. Actually it's here, it's evident, you can see here, this is cow manure. So that's the only thing that we were using. We mixed with the soil first, and then we came with another one we added on top as a mulch. So since, guys, they are in containers, that means that they are not using water from the ground or natural water from the soil. So you have to water them, you have to give them water, but not too much water like you have to overdo. No, just give them a simple water which is just normal, so they don't require a lot of water as per se. So you just come and pour water here. Make sure you pour with the water can. For the water can, if you pour with something less, say from a pipe, the water will be spilling down and it won't go. But when you spray with the water can, the water will be absorbed inside evenly, and then the plant will just grow and bloom and have more flowers like this. You see, more cucumbers are coming up. So because I have my tap here, I'm going to wash one of the cucumber. Actually, one thing is, I'm amazed, we are a family of 5 and this cucumber 7. Yeah, so I'm going to take my test here, right here on the garden. We have a tap there. Meanwhile, we are also growing tomatoes. I'm gonna give you good, you can see how healthy they are. Guys, I'm becoming a big farmer here in the village. I'm gonna give you a good village on how to grow tomatoes again. Yeah, I'm so amazed, guys. Like, living in the countryside is just amazing. Yeah, you can see the fruits as well. Yes, just see, guys, look at that. Welcome to our tap now. Time to eat. Because I'm the biggest farmer, I'm gonna choose the big one. Yeah, so you have to be careful with the thorns. You can remove them first and then you wash. Yeah, so just like that. Wow, just have a look, guys. It's clean now. Water from our well. It's time to test. So before I test, cheers. cheers for the love, cheers for that like, cheers for that share, and cheers for watching till the end and not skipping the ads. Time to crunch. I can't forget the cameraman.
Chalukush. Yeah, behind the camera, guys.
Happy farmers. How is it?
Nice. Guys, you know my love of cucumbers.
Very yummy.
Very tasty, guys.
Can't wait to share with my daughter when she's back. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it the like and share. And if you have anything to share as well, we will really appreciate your support. And also people on the comment section, or people who are engaging on the comment section will also learn from you.